I'm working on getting my exhaust manifold ready for installation. I thought it might just be handy to show how I flatten these surfaces to make sure there's a good seal. I use my DA sander with some 80 grit for the bulk of the material removal, pausing occasionally to run a file across it in multiple directions, kind of a cross-hatching pattern so that I can identify the low spots. This took quite a bit of sanding and then filing and sanding and filing, going back and forth to achieve. But you can see here that I've basically eliminated all the low spots. Nothing is any deeper than the scratch pattern from my filing and sanding. There's maybe a tiny bit of a shadow between, well, next to the opening on the one corner, but otherwise this is perfectly flat and should seal quite nicely. Here I'm just checking by feel the radius where the exhaust is exiting the resonance chamber and out of the opening. And I'm noticing that there's a bit of a ridge in a couple spots, as well as one kind of casting defect on the inside. I take those down with my Dremel, maybe a bit more carefully than it looks like here with the footage sped up. And then kind of the last step here is I'm going to submerge it in some vinegar for about a day, maybe a couple days, we'll see, to etch the metal a bit and to do some rust removal where I can't get to it on the inside. Once this is done, I'll clean up those mating surfaces again, maybe sandblast the exterior just to get an even finish, and then paint it with some high temperature paint.
Family of three, but it barely suits me. Spending much money, she says it's not funny. Everything's new, watch